Hello my dear students, welcome to my class. In this video, we will be discussing about the 1 mark questions, all the types of the objective questions based on the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. So let us start. The first type of questions asked are MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. You are very well familiar with this type of questions. So the first question is, which one of the following species of honeybee is an Italian species? So we have studied about the different varieties of the honeybees. Apis dorsata, it is a rock bee. Apis florii, it is a Indian honeybee. Smaller sized bee. Apis cerina indica, it is also an Indian honeybee. So the correct answer is Apis mellifera. The Italian species of honeybees is called as Apis mellifera. The correct option is option D, Apis mellifera. Second question is, poultry fowl are susceptible to the following pathogens. The options are viruses, bacteria, fungi and all of the above. Poultry fowl, that is poultry birds, these are susceptible, means they can get infection from viruses, bacteria as well as fungi. So the correct option is option D, all of the above. Next question is, animal husbandry is the scientific management of. The correct answer is, it is the scientific management of 1. Animal breeding, 3. Animal livestock and 4. Rearing of the animals. The fourth question, poultry farming is undertaken to raise following. The options are egg production, feather production, chicken meat and fourth is the milk production. You know the purpose of poultry farming. It is done for two purposes. Option 1 and 3. So the correct option is option A. Poultry farming is done for egg production as well as chicken meat production. Fifth question is, which of the following are the Indian cattle? See, these are the varieties of the cattle. Bos indicus, Bos domestica, Bos bubalis and Bos vulgaris. So out of these four, the Indian varieties of cattle are Bos indicus and Bos bubalis. Next are, which of the following are exotic breeds? Exotic means the foreign breeds. Options are Brown, Jersey, Brown Swiss, Jersey Swiss. The correct answer is option B. Jersey and Brown Swiss are the exotic or the foreign varieties. Next is, which of one of the following fishes is a surface feeder? You have studied this in composite fish culture, that 5 to 6 different types of fishes are used based on their feeding habits. So the options are rohus, mrigals, common carps and cutlets. So the correct answer is cutlets. They feed on the surface of water. Next is, pasturage is related to cattle, fishery, apiculture, sericulture. What is pasturage? It is the availability of flowers for the nectar and pollen collection, that is for honey production. Honey production is related to apiculture. So the correct answer is apiculture, option C. Pasturage is related to the apiculture. Next is, leghorn is related to. Leghorn is a type of poultry bird. So the correct option is option D, poultry. Next, the management and production of fish is called. The correct answer is option A, pisciculture. Now let us discuss about the match the pairs. Now see, again this question is related to the composite fish culture. You have to match the column A with column B. Katla, Rohu, Mrigal, fish farming. The options are bottom feeders, surface feeders, middle zone feeders and the culture fishery. So the answer is Katla are surface feeders, Rohu, these are the middle zone feeders, Mrigals are the bottom feeders and fish farming is also called as the culture fishery. Second is, cattle used for tilling and carting. So in case of cattle, two types of animals are there. Milch animals, that is milk producing females, And the another category is animals for labor purpose, stealing, carting, etc. So it is called as the draught animals. So here option A, point A, it matches with the option 3. Cat Cattle used for tilling and carting are known as the draught animals. B. Indian breed of the chicken. It is Asil. Asil is the Indian variety of chicken. Then Sahiwal and Red Sindhi. These are the milk producing females. Sahiwal and Red Sindhi. These are the local breeds of the cattle. Milch. Milch means the milk producing female. Then the chicken which is better fed for obtaining meat. It is broiler. Here you can see the answer. Cattle used for tilling and carting. Draught animals. Indian breed of chicken Asil. Sahiwal and Red Sindhi are the local breed of cattle. Milch is a milk producing female. And chicken better fed for obtaining meat. It is a broiler. The next category is very short answer questions. So here you have to answer in one line only, in one sentence only. First question is, which one has more fat content, egg or meat? The correct answer is egg. Eggs have 12% fat. Next is, name any two sources of vitamin B2 and B12. The answer is milk and meat. These are the rich sources of vitamin B2 and B12. What are milch animals? As already discussed, the milk producing females of dairy animals are called as the milch animals. Next question is, name two foreign cattle breeds that are selected for long lactation period. Lactation period means the period of giving milk. So the cattle which are selected for long lactation period are Jersey and Brown Swiss. Next is, mention two signs of a healthy animal. The signs are, the healthy animal feeds regularly, and second sign is it has a normal posture. Next question, name two cattle breeds which show excellent resistance of diseases. The answer is Red Sindhi and Sahiwal. These Indian varieties of cattle, they show excellent resistance of diseases. Next is, name two breeds of buffalo. The answer is Murrah and Mehsana. So these are the two different types of buffaloes. Next question. Name two vitamins which are added to poultry feed. The answer is vitamin A and K are added to the poultry food. What is pasturage? Don't get confused between pasturage and pasteurization. Many students get confused. See, pasturage and pasteurization are totally different concepts. What is pasturage? It is the availability of flowers for nectar and pollen collection. That is for honey production. It is pasturage. Pasteurization, heating of milk to high temperature, cooling it completely to kill the germs. So pasturage और pasteurization में आपको confuse नहीं होना है. क्या है pasturage? Pasturage is the availability of flowers for nectar and pollen collection. Next is, name a place where beehives are placed to collect honey and other products from beehive. The answer is apiary. Apiary is a place. ऐसी जगह होती है apiary जहाँ पे beehives रखे जाते हैं for the purpose of collecting honey and other products from the beehive. Next are passage based or value based questions. First question is, Rahul and Rachna were practicing floriculture in their farm. They sold the flower to florists in India. They felt that if they start beekeeping too, their income will increase. They obtained more information from the local officer. What is pasturage? You know very well. It is the availability of flowers for the nectar and pollen collection. Next is, name a bee variety which is commonly used for commercial honey production. The answer is, it is a Italian honeybee variety. The name of that Italian honeybee is Apis mellifera. Third question is, why society would appreciate Rahul and Rachna? What do you think? Why should the people from that area should appreciate Rahul and Rachna? Just because of their scientific knowledge. Second is they have concern for the society. So they should be appreciated by the society. Next question is Gopal, who was studying in class 9, he thought a lot about what can be done to make his village prosperous. So he suggested village panchayat to integrate farming with animal husbandry. He took Sarpanch to government agencies for loan to buy modern agricultural equipments, providing safe storage space and buy cattle. He also made them agree to establish a biogas plant in the village. So, first question is how do good animal husbandry practices benefit farmers? See, animal husbandry it is a side business with farming. So, whatever farm wastes are there, these get utilized. Even animal wastes can also be used to make manures. So, it is beneficial for the farmers. The advantages of having biogas plant, waste management, and second advantage is the villagers will get the clean fuel which will be eco-friendly. List any two qualities of Gopal that inspired him to work for the prosperity of the village. क्या लगता है आपको इसमें क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए? फर्स्ट इज काइंडनेस, कंसर्न फॉर द सोसाइटी. अभी देखो ये जो वैल्यू बेस्ड पैसेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है साइंस के, अगर आपको कोई क्वालिटी याद नहीं आती एटलीस्ट यू मे राइट द साइंटिफिक व्यू or the scientific knowledge. So you can write this quality also. So this was all about the objective questions based on the chapter improvement in food resources. In this video I have discussed about some of the questions. So I hope you will practice these questions very well. So in next video we will meet with the 3 marks questions based on the chapter improvement in food resources. Thank you.